Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. As Ishal speaks messages, Gypsy Vishtaro, sending you love all the way from Bharat. So let's start with your reading. Be responsible for your karma, and this is going to be general vibe, so may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time. Okay, this is going to be right from 2nd of August 2021 and so on. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Shells Running. Let's begin. I hear that even if we don't talk, does it matter? There's a question. So maybe you are asking someone this, or someone is asking you this, however it fits you. Maybe you both are talking to one another and having that, conversation here, and you people are asking that, does it matter even if we don't talk? Like, do we need to talk? Or you feel the requirement? What is happening? Do you understand between us? Okay, so this may be with Queen of Cups energy, maybe for some specific female vibe, or however it fits you. But Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy is here. Okay. I heard someone is not talking to someone who is very close, means possible a mother figure. Like, why they are not talking? Let's see. Okay, why they are not talking? Possible they are asking you this. Does it matter if we don't talk? This may be the love situation as well, but I heard like who gave you birth. So if there are some issues and you think that you should solve it because you should, or you need to, do it. Okay, that's the advice. Tarots are for that, right? Also, I feel with this energy, you're someone over here is curious, or you're curious about knowing what is going with the person, but then again, you people have arguments. Like, it just starts and then you have certain argument and then you stop. This is all about one place, one home. Some of you are with the person, living with the person, the same place for a very long time here, but the problem is what it generates, okay, or what it creates between you both. Some of you have 3 children, or yes, 3 children if you're married here, or however it fits you. Okay, I'm not going to explain that, but if you have 3 children in a row, those are boys here for some specific. Okay, however, this may go vice versa, no gender required. Then again, you may have boys or girls. This may be about triple, like how to make you understand. Or this is about teenagers here growing, and it's just not possible right now to take a certain decision. So maybe you people are talking here. 3 of Swords. You talk, but it turns into arguments. But you have something connected with 3, which is very important. So possible this is long time connection of 30 years for some, 32 years for some. This is the longest time I'm giving, which is very possible specific for people out there. Okay, or this is just about short term, which is about 3 months or 3 years or 5 years. Now, how does it say? Possible this is all about the fact that what you had with the person, the conversation you had with the person, the longest time you've been with the person, and then what is happening right now, the slow process of something. Okay, the need to express something. So that's why I said that maybe you're having that conversation with this person, like, what we need to talk, and then does it really matter even if we don't talk? What are we doing? Are we playing with one another's feelings? Are we being fool in this relationship, or are we ignorant, or we are ignoring each other's vibes here? Okay, you smile, okay, fine, bye, but it doesn't feel the same anymore. With the Joker is my dare card. Who is going to dare to talk? Because both of you are at confused signals state. No, nothing is given like a green signal, and then you're not moving. No one is moving. Now, this is the time when you people need to talk, and that is the best advice that I can give you. Now, with the Joker, dare to begin. There's going to be a little bit of tilt from one side, which may be from your side, possible, and you're going to talk. Okay, can we talk? Can we talk? This is going to be your trial. 9 of Cups energy, this is what you desire the most. To be in this connection, or to talk about this connection, that where we are heading. It matters to you, of course. the longest time, the stay, it matters to you. This may be with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus. This may be something very important that is here. Again, three energies. So this has to do, okay, something with this. Again, there's a little bit of, I'm telling you, tilt. Okay, let's not put that in a dare or something like that. Let's just talk. Okay, why we have same expressions, why we have this monotony. I feel monotony will break here. Monotony will break. Six of Swords, the move is here. Whoever is going to do, they're doing it for this. Let's say. Monotony is breaking. This is Page of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. It's you, honey, at one point here. And it's all about Four of Wands. How to bring stability. How to come out of this halt because you feel that. So it's about the message. It's about adoration in someone's eyes. Does it matter even if we don't talk? Does that matter? If I stop, you stop. What is the point? We are here. We're not moving. Both sides, both the relationship side, basically, they seem though same. Let's see in your present. I heard talk to them nicely. Now, if maybe you need to talk to someone nicely or someone need to. But I see this is something coming in the picture of discussion or better organization. If this is with the particular energy, then it's also Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. This is a female figure. So I talked about for some cases, if you're the one, son to someone or daughter to someone, this may be the mother figure for some, okay? And you're resolving this particular energy of Five of Wands. Do we go well or don't? And if this is about the love matter, then again, this is something I feel is going ascension, which is about let's talk. What's in future? What's in future? What's in future? This and this. Okay, fine. I was right. You also have King of Cups. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Someone connected with you is connected with this person. Okay? Or you are connected with them. However this fits. That's a circle. You have Two of Cups energy. Finally we conclude. Finally we meet. With all love and honor. Someone will express, I love you, I have affection. Okay, I don't want this to dissolve. I want this to resolve. Let's not take that in other direction. Let's not do it because this is all about our connection. Nine of Cups. Can we solve it? Because I feel the energy of fixing the thing. Not the wither. Okay, it's not like something crushes and goes away. Okay, because this energy, I had the positive thing, and that's why this positivity is coming in even in the cards. This is kind of reunion, union. This is also coming together, being together. This is again three energies. However it fits you. This is Ace of Cups, bringing love in the matter of now. Two energies. Okay, talking. Expression of love in the future, which is good. Being way emotional. Because I feel once you settle down and talk, it's not going to be way more practical and cold. It's going to be more emotional. I'm hearing, how do we solve this? I'm also hearing the word like someone is telling you, look up. Or you are saying, look up. Look to me. Look to me in the eyes. Talk to me. Look up. Page of Cups is the expression coming in the picture. And this is about with all love and honor. Someone is very, very, very much affectionate towards you. They love you. They care for you. Okay? Maybe this is your, opposite side. You don't show, but you feel. You have this much of love, but you feel like I need to be stagnant for a while. Maybe you are as an individual going through all that stuff with your person, as an individual. If you're a teenager, or maybe someone who is in the 20s listening to this, then you feel this towards someone who is close to you. You will talk. Ace of Swords is the ultimate thing that came through. Even I said that, does it matter even if we don't talk? Yes, it matters. This is with affection talk. Someone is having this in mind. Even if they are not telling you something, remember, if this is your partner, someone you are in love, even if they don't tell you or you don't tell, this is here. The bond, okay? Possible some of you have age differences and you really want to give this to them, if it fits. 8 of Swords energy. You're thinking about how to make this move. If this fits you, goes from your side, or vice versa. But I feel this is what is on your mind, and you feel this, that I need to make this move, because a lot is on your mind here. But your future is secure, kind of giving you the vibe of you're going to make the move. Someone will make the move. Ultimately, someone is going to make the move. There's an apology, realizations, and the release matters. And Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And it's also someone who feel concerned for you and they are stressed about you or because of you. And that's the end of thing when you make the move, okay? Finally, something is growing, and when it is growing, it's going to make you take the step, which is good. An apology of the release and the realizations here. Realization to move out of this something that you feel it's never gonna resolve. 5 of Pentacles, or what went is went and I cannot do anything about it. But I feel this is about securing something, securing the connection that you have with people, securing the connection that you have with someone. 12-12 recording time. It's something that you cannot reverse, but you can resolve in the current time if you want to secure something. It's feeling wounded or cold within some place or connection or with particular energy here. And then you feel like, why I'm feeling so cold. Okay, so can we resolve it with love? Can we settle down and talk? For some cases, like what's gone, gone. So you're having with love and mutual understanding closure. Depends who is going through what. It's also securing something I talked about. It's not the hall, but it's home. But it's also about something where you are in. Many of you are concerned about your relationship, which is withering or trying, and that's why you're going to settle. You'll have something to celebrate in the coming month, which is definitely about resolving some issues. So maybe this is about the debt also, the loan, you're going to give it and you're going to resolve this issue. If it is about work or business related or home related thing, financial thing, yeah. Some of you are going to shift in the coming time. In okay, did I pick up the 5 number? 5 something. Yes, I thought. Yes, in the startup, I suppose, in this reading. I don't remember exactly. But number 5. You've been at the same place for quite a long time, and you people are for change, for breaking the monotony possible, or it's just the process of work changing or some shifts are happening here in your life. You're going to be at new place, okay? People are trying to buy some new place or home here as well. Take care, guys. I love you and see you soon. Bye.